Yo, this says solve this equation and give your answers correct to 2 decimal places, right? Now, because I'm right up towards the end of the calculator paper, and it's asking me giving answers to correct decimal places, I got a sneaky feeling this is a quadratic formula question. So let's have a look. The first thing I need to do is bring this upstairs and over here, so I can make it look like a quadratic to start with. So I've got x times 5x minus 3 equals 7, right? I've just brought that up and over as a multiply. Let's tidy that up. So that's 5x squared minus 3x equals 7. It looks like it is going to be a quadratic formula question. You need it to equal 0 to use the quadratic formula, so that 7's got to come over. So my quadratic equation will be 5x squared minus 3x minus 7 equals 0, right? So that's what they want us to solve. So I'm sure you know the quadratic formula by now, but it's on the front cover if you haven't bothered to learn it. It's x equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a, where a is this number, and I thoroughly recommend you write these down. B is this number, and c is this number. Okay, so now I'm going to put these 3 numbers into this formula here. Don't cut any corners yet. X equals minus 3, which is just plus 3. Minus 3 squared is 9. And then I've got minus 4 times 5 is minus 20. Minus 20 times minus 7 is plus 140. I hope I've done that right. And all of that is over 2 5s, which is 10. So that's 3 plus or minus the square root of 149 all over 10. Right? So I encourage my lot to get to that stage without using your calculator yet, because you'll end up messing up on your minuses. So I'm going to have 2 answers. So x either equals 3 plus root 149 over 10 or 3 minus root 149 over 10. And then just press some buttons to get the actual answers to finish it off. So I've got 3 plus root 149 equals that. Divided by 10 is that. It says 2 decimal places in the question. Make sure you follow that. So it's 1.52 or 3 minus root 149 is that. Divided by 10 is that. That's minus 0.92. So don't forget, for the quadratic formula to work, your quadratic equation must be equal to 0. Alright, happy days.